If you have a house in Hilliard, Ohio, and you're looking to sell, but you're not looking to pay any fees, commissions, or use a realtor or real estate broker of any kind, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Hilliard as a direct buyer, meaning there is no realtor involved. We're a direct buyer to you, the seller. There's one seller, one buyer. That's exactly what we do. And in this video, I'm going to share with you just kind of the pros and cons of both. Because first and foremost, realtors do a great job. I'm not here to bash on realtors. It is not a us versus them type of conversation whatsoever. We work with realtors in our company. We buy properties through realtors and we sell properties through realtors. They fill a very big need in real estate, but it is a situational thing. So the three big factors that determine if a realtor is going to be better for you or if selling to a direct buyer like us is going to be better for you is pretty much number one, time. So if you're somebody who has a lot of time to work with, there's no closing deadlines or time restraints whatsoever. If you have no time restraints, a realtor is going to be a better bet for you, a better service for you. If you maybe have a tight timeline or you need to close fast or you need to set a flexible closing date in the future and you need that certain closing date, we're going to be a better fit for you because we're a cash buyer. We don't need to rely on a bank or a mortgage to kind of land on their closing date. There's no approvals needed. So that is a big one. Time is big. If you have plenty of time to work with, there's no time constraints, realtor. If you have some kind of time constraint, you might consider working with us. Number two is a biggie. It is the repairs of the property. So if you have a property that's in great shape, you're probably going to want to list with a realtor because that's going to be perfect for a buyer who could step in and move right into the property, who wants to live in the property. However, if you have a property that needs a little work or you don't have the money and you just don't have the desire to fix it up, you don't want to go to the Home Depot, you don't want to hire people to fix anything, we're going to be a better fit for that because we're an as-is buyer. As I just mentioned, since we don't use loans, there's no formal inspections or appraisals, so we can buy the house in any condition whatsoever. If it needs a lot of work, great. We buy them that need work all the time. If it doesn't need a lot of work, that's okay too. Whatever the case may be, we are a true as-is buyer. So if your property shows beautifully well, it's already remodeled, it's move-in ready, a realtor is going to be a better fit. If it might need a little work and you just don't want to do the work or don't have the money to do the work, consult with us and we might be a better fit in that situation. And then finally is the privacy/traffic conversation. So if you're somebody where you don't mind a lot of different people walking through the house with different inspections and open houses or showings, and you don't care if showings are happening at your house and you don't mind strangers walking through your house, a realtor is going to be a better fit for you. If you're somebody who doesn't really want or prefer to have a lot of people walking through the house, I hear this quite a bit. We're going to be a better fit because we don't need a lot of people to walk through the house. We don't need a lot of formal inspections and open houses or anything like that. So this is the big three, everybody. Number one is your time. Number two is the repairs. And then finally, number three is just the privacy or the traffic in the house. You can see the difference. So with us, we're a direct buyer. We're going to make you a fair offer on the property. With a realtor, they potentially could actually get you more. Right? But they're pretty much more so suited to work with somebody who's ready to move into the property, right? We're more of a company that's going to buy the house in its as-is condition, close on the date of your choice, and just work directly with you. So if you have a house in Hilliard and you at least just want to see what your options are and see what your options look like in working with us, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. So when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more information about your house in Hilliard and then know more about your closing timeline because that's very important. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and we're going to communicate with you transparently throughout this whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, there's no crime, no foul, no pressure, no games, no gimmicks, no sales tactics, no scripts. We're here locally. We're not a call center. This is not a used car dealership. We're simply going to shake hands and part as friends if we're not a good fit for you. I want you to know there's no pressure or anything like that. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. We're here in Columbus. We have hundreds of great reviews, testimonials, and positive experiences from other sellers just like you. So if you have a house in Hilliard, you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and not pay any realtor commissions and not pay any fees, we might be a good fit for you. Let's get on the phone and just see what your options are. And my name is Dave Perichin. Our phone number, once again, 614-300-5151. Website, sellhousecolumbus.com. You can hop online, fill out a little form. It's very easy, and we'll get on the phone that way. And we look forward to it. So once again, my name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.